In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Mysterium VPN on your PC. If you want the fastest, most secure, and easiest VPN experience, I'll also show why NordVPN is a fantastic alternative, and you can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price while following along. To start with Mysterium VPN, head over to the official Mysterium website and download the installer for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to finish installing, just like any other program. When the installation is complete, launch the app, and you'll be prompted to create an account. Mysterium VPN works a bit differently from traditional VPNs because it's decentralized. Instead of relying on large centralized servers, it uses a peer-to-peer network where people all over the world share their internet. This means you'll need to set up a wallet since the service uses its own cryptocurrency called MIST to pay for bandwidth. Before connecting, you'll have to buy some MIST tokens and deposit them into your account wallet. Once your wallet is funded, open the app and browse through the list of nodes around the world. Each node represents another user sharing their internet connection. You can pick a node based on speed, location, or price, and then click Connect. Your traffic will now be routed securely through that node, keeping your connection private. While this decentralized approach is interesting, it comes with some challenges. Speeds can vary depending on the node, and streaming services or websites might not always work reliably. That's why many people prefer a traditional VPN like NordVPN. With NordVPN, you simply install the app, log in, and with one click, you can connect to thousands of secure servers worldwide. Speeds are consistent. It works flawlessly for streaming and gaming, and it includes extra features like threat protection and double VPN for added security. So yes, you can use Mysterium VPN if you're curious about decentralized networks, but for most users, NordVPN is a much more reliable and user-friendly choice. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy fast, secure, and hassle-free VPN protection on your PC.